Welcome to my channel. This is Homemade Turkish Foods. In this channel, I want to share various types of Turkish food recipes, especially traditional ones. Today, I am going to introduce you a new recipe. This is stuffed bell peppers. Turkish name is Zeytinyağlı Biber Dolması, a vegan recipe. Let's begin. 2 cups of rice, about 10 cherry tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of pomegranate syrup, 40 ml of lemon juice, 120 ml of olive oil, 2 middle-sized onions, half a bunch of parsley, and half a bunch of fresh mint leaves. A teaspoon of chili peppers, cumin, dry mint, dry thyme, black pepper, and half a teaspoon of dried basils. Dried basil is not necessary. 5 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of pepper paste or tomato paste, and about 20 bell peppers. I shared ingredients in the explanation part below. Let me begin with peppers. First, I'm going to take out the upper part of the peppers. There are 2 ways to take out. One is by using our hands, like that. This is a bit hard. Another way is by using a fine knife. Well, as you see in the video, easier than the first way and more comfortable. Well, I should get away the seeds and get a small pierce at the bottom. We need the upper parts to close the dolma. We need lids to save the fillings when cooking. By cutting, we get lids. You can close the peppers with the upper part of the pepper or with the tomatoes. Well, we are going to prepare inside of the dolma. Add ingredients as I mentioned before. If you don't have pepper paste, you may add tomato paste instead. You can add spices according to your desire. And lemon juice. Instead of pomegranate sauce, you may add the same amount of lemon juice. Some salt. Time to mix. I gotta mix well. All the mixtures should have the same flavor. It is important to get a homogeneous filling. As for filling, by using a teaspoon, fill about 2/3 of a pepper. don't fill the peppers to the top, since rice will be expanded. Now, it is time for closing dolmas with a lid. As I said before, I have two ways. I'd rather close with tomatoes. If I have any tomatoes, especially in winter, I use pepper lids. Well, this is our lovely work and it is ready to cook. Before cooking, add half of a liter of water and some oil and salt. My pepper paste is too salty, so I will sprinkle less salt. After boiling, lower the heat of the stove, just simmering, about 40 minutes. While cooking, check the liquid inside the pot. If necessary, pour some boiling water. Generally not necessary. At the end of the cooking, very little amount of water will be left in the pot. We use this water as a sauce. The dish looks mesmerizingly. When serving, I prefer yogurt as a side. You can serve warm or at room temperature. If you have any struggle with the preparation of the recipe, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Now it is time for key points. Have a good meal.